Okay, buddy. We gotta yeah, I think we can get a couple right here. You wanna do that thing, buddy? Here we go. Here we go, Blake. Hold up. Curl that thing right there. Okay, bro. Right like this, and then squeeze forward, chin up. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh my God, that was the best one we've ever had. That sounded absolutely amazing, bro. I love that. Okay, okay. Let's cross your arms up top. Let me like and then shit down, bud. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just a touch, Blake, right here, man. We gotta get that, boy. You feel that thing right there, man? There we go. Okay, breath in and hold. Let's try one here, buddy. Hold it, hold it. Let it go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get you on your side, Paul. Q. All right. Just there. Right here. Come on, this way, bud. Okay, yeah. Right like that, buddy. Let's get it. Let's try the other side. Yeah, buddy. Okay, let's let this drop here. Yes, sir. Let's get you on your back, face up. There you go. Cool. I'm gonna try this side, buddy. Yeah. Dang, buddy, that's gotta feel great. Let's slide down to the edge, buddy. And drop back. Okay, bro, here we go. Okay, right here. There you go. Yeah. My man. Come on up, bro. How's that feel, bro?
Good.